subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has launched two new smartphones under S series in China called Vivo S15 and Vivo S15 Pro. Both of these devices looks quite identical but are different in terms of specifications, and among these two, the Vivo S15 Pro is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo S15 Pro features a 6.56-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and the screen is HDR10+ certified. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8100 chipset, paired with Mali G610 MC6 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. In terms of camera, the Vivo S15 Pro supports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50MP main camera with Sony IMX766V sensor plus 12MP ultra-wide plus macro lens with 116° field of view and a 2MP black and white sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has 32MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture. The device comes equipped by a large 4500 mAh battery with 80W fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 based on Origin OS Ocean Skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it comes with a large bionic heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 158.9 by 73.5 by 8.5mm, and it weighs around 188 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo S15 Pro has been priced in China for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 3,399 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 3,699 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Cosmic Black and Blue color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from May 27th. So what do you guys think of this Vivo S15 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.